I saw a commercial for a phone stand online, and I was thinking, why would anyone spend a lot of money buying a phone stand? We could make one for free out of paper. So let's see. We're gonna take this paper, we're gonna take the raw edge on the top, we're gonna line it up to the side by putting our finger in the corner and pulling it down. I wanna make a point at the top and line up the raw edge with the raw edge underneath it. Then we're gonna crease here. Now we're gonna flip it over this way, and we're gonna take this and we're gonna pull it back till we see that raw edge. Okay. I'm gonna line up the raw edge on the side with the raw edge underneath it, and then we're going to crease all the way across, and then we're going to unfold that. Now we have a crease we can cut on, so we're going to flip it over and rotate it this way. There's the crease. We're going to take this scissors here and we're just going to cut a line on it like that. It's not important to be super accurate, but you kind of want to get close so that it works at the end. Cut the little part off it there. All right, so now we have this. We're going to fold it in half. So book fold. Make sure you line up the corners. Crease. And we have this. Unfold. Rotate it 90 degrees so that you have a vertical line. So you're going to take this raw edge and this raw edge. I'm going to fold both to the center. I'll do one at a time. And fold this guy to the center. Lining it up with the other raw edge. Now we're going to flip it over, and now we're going to take the top raw edge to the bottom raw edge, or vice versa, whatever you prefer, but we're making a nice crease through the middle. Try not to let it get crinkled. Okay, now we're going to unfold this and we're going to flip it over again, and now we're taking this top edge. You know what, let's rotate it 90 degrees first, then we're just making an airplane fold. So this folded edge to the center line, and we're going to airplane fold the other side as well, because it's easier to explain it that way, where we're just making this triangle shape. Okay. And now unfold this and this, and even the small little triangles. Rotate it upside down 180 degrees. Then take the folded edge again to the center, doing another airplane fold. Like that. And like that. Crease. Unfold everything, even the little triangles. Okay, so now we're gonna flip it over. Actually, no, we're not. We're just gonna. I'll carry it closer to the screen so you can see it better. We're gonna rotate it 90 degrees, and I'm gonna open up this side here like this, and I'm gonna poke my finger on the back of it, making a dent right here, and it's gonna collapse in this way. And then I'm going to just take this side and push it in like that. So now it has this pyramid shape. So I'm going to show you again on the other side so you can see it better. Okay, we're going to open one of these doors. I'll take this here and we're going to pull it out. This raw edge here is important to look at. Okay, I'm going to get my finger and I'm going to dent in here like this, and what it's going to do is it's going to fold it into like a valley crease in the middle here, and then I'm going to take this side, I'm going to shove it in so that it goes underneath this door that I'm holding. So inside, and push this in. Okay, one more time. It was like this. I'm taking this open, shoving this all inside like that, and then I'm pushing this guy in, and that's all it is. Okay, so now we have this cool pyramid shape. Like, I mean, if that was a phone, it would work. And now we have a puppet. If you don't like phone holders, yeah, puppet. Or if you turn it this way and you fold it in this way, it's a bird's beak. But now, so there's a transport mode, and the transport mode looks like this. We're gonna fold it this way. It was like this. We're just gonna fold it like that. We're gonna put a dent in the middle this way, not this way, this way. By holding these corners, we're folding it in this way like that. So it's like now a square, and you can stick it in your pocket, take it to work, and then you can, when you get to work, you open it up again and there you have this shape. And then you can, you know, watch whatever video you want to watch on your phone. But if you want the deluxe version, what you got to do is you got to collapse it into the transport mode, put it down on the table with the open sides facing one way. Take one of these tips and fold them to the center, like that. And what it's going to do is it's going to make a crease on the top real hard on all these layers. And now it looks like a Superman emblem. We're going to open this up, flip it over, fold it again, reversing the creases you made this way. And there's a reason why we're reversing the creases. Okay. We're making all these neutral creases. So we're going to open this up. Oh, sorry, from the top. Open this up, and you're going to see that now there's a crease here, and a crease here. And that's important because we're going to reverse them. So we're going to hold the top. We're going to hold the top like this, and we're going to push this inside. It's called an open sink in origami. So here we go. Ready? Take this and just shove it in, and it's going to look god-awful terrible. But it'll look better in the end. Just gonna be persistent. Let's pinch on this crease here to help it not look so ugly. And poke, poke, poke. Pinch, pinch, pinch. All the way on all three of these mounting creases. And we could even turn it around and smooth out all the funky business going on inside here. Okay, so there we go. And so there's the deluxe version. Which, I don't know, you could put like a paper clip in there or something. I don't know what you would hold in that pocket. So, I mean, it's that simple. Just fold it back up again. And as you can see, it still folds into transport mode. All right, there it is.